Okay, guys. When I was in Chiang Mai, I got totally addicted to the Chiang Mai sausage. And that's what we're looking at right here. The beautiful, delicious Chiang Mai sausage. This is a stall on the side of the road, about an hour south of Chiang Mai, or the city of Chiang Mai. I kept trying to find somewhere in the city to buy these frozen, or at least raw, that I could take home so I could have Chiang Mai sausage whenever I wanted. It didn't happen. And this lady wouldn't sell the raw ones either. She would only sell the cooked stuff, which is very unfortunate. But we bought a box full and we took them home. Look at that, beautiful. I tell you what, this is the best sausage in Thailand, hands down, by far, no comparison to any other of the many sausages available. The Chiang Mai sausage is delicious. If you've never tried it, it's full of herbs and spices, and the flavor is unbelievable and very addictive. This is inside of our stall. That's our box. I don't know how much is in the box. I think it's about 1 kilo. There it is, the raw stuff. Some factory made chili spice. I didn't even try this. But she would not sell the raw stuff at all. Not even for the same price as it cooked. Which seemed very strange. Lots of stuff going on there. No idea what this is. Some kind of chip. Maybe cassava. Not sure. No idea. Maybe garlic. Maybe fried garlic. Not sure. But it's not her stuff. She's selling it for someone else. And as you can see, there's more people ordering. This place is pretty popular, I think. Surprisingly, Chiang Mai sausage is not readily available everywhere, although we bought it a bunch of places. You see this big giant ball, like beach balls, on the back of that truck, flying down the highway in a rainstorm, or a windstorm at that stage. Checkpoints, they're all over this highway, the checkpoints. Military, most of them. Checking for drugs, a lot of drugs on this highway. We didn't have any drugs, so we had nothing to worry about. It's just a bit of an inconvenience. Thailand does a lot of check stops, but they're not nearly as army as this. And there we are. We're going to try our sausage at home. This is the next morning. Brought it home, stuck it in the fridge. It didn't last long. All I did was just warm it up in a dry pan. Still delicious. Absolutely delicious. If you ever go to Chiang Mai, or even anywhere in North Thailand, you have to try Chiang Mai sausage. You will not be disappointed. I'm having mine here with some rice and pickled red cabbage. It was delicious. I've never tried to make it. I really should. It can't be that hard. All kinds of good stuff in here. I don't know what any of it is really. But it's delicious. You can buy that in most tourist areas. They sell them. I've seen prices everywhere from, a sausage on a stick for 10 baht up to 50 baht in one market. Depends on how many tourists are in that area, I believe. Tourist areas always more expensive. I do not remember what this cost. But whatever it was worth it. I wish I had some more right now. Well, that's it, guys. If you're interested in Chiang Mai and the food scene and the tourist areas and stuff like that, I have a whole bunch of videos, tourist information on my website. Link is in the video description. Go check that out. All the videos that I made in Chiang Mai are there, ready to be watched. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. You never know where I'm going to end up. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up's free, as is subscribing. Costs you nothing. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.